Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you my tool setup for installing fiber cement panel siding. And right there you can see I have my saw set up with my 2x10 screwed down to sawhorses with 2x4 purlin type things. And those purlins are really nice when you're using your jigsaw so that your jigsaw is not going to be hitting anything, and when you're cross cutting with your track saw you're not cutting extra material and dulling your blade. And these panels are quite heavy. They're about 96 pounds. And they do recommend carrying them with two people so you don't accidentally flex them too much, and also because they're heavy and it's kind of hard to do. Right there you can see I'm setting it about on midpoint and then sliding it onto those purlins. And that's when it's nice to have things screwed down so your sawhorses aren't going to be sliding around. And if there's a little bit of moisture in there, it's a good idea to uncover it and let the sun dry it out. And next up is a Bosch HEPA vac that has a self-cleaning filter. It has a tool activated function, an always on function, and off function. And they designed the end really well. It actually fits inside the outlet of the Makita track saw. And it's really rubbery, so it sticks in there, it doesn't fall out. And next thing I'm going to show you is a 55-inch Makita track. I have a 118-inch track and another 55-inch track, and the Makita track saw will ride on those rails. I also have a 6.5-inch fiber cement blade. Those are a little harder to find, but you can find them on Amazon. I'll probably put links in the description of the video. Right here I have a DeWalt Grabo, and this is really good for fine-tuning the panels once they're on the wall, because the back of the panels are pretty rough and the plywood's pretty rough, so once you stick them on the wall they tend to not move, and just having that extra Grabo on there helps you make those adjustments. You can give it a little bit of force. I like to put the track saw on a spot where I'm not going to accidentally bend the thing. And next up is the Makita jigsaw with a carbide tip blade. And those carbide tips work pretty good. It lasts about a whole job, maybe even a job and a half or two jobs. Right there I have a blower for when, after I cut the panels, there's dust on it, you blow it off, and then you can go ahead and paint it, and you don't have paint sticking to the dust. And right here I have a dual compound miter saw with a fiber cement blade. And right there I have a hoist that I just got from Harbor Freight, which works okay to get the panels up to the second story. I have it set up with a strap, and it's not the best setup, and I'll probably come up with something a little bit better to get them up there. But it suits the need for now. You can see the controller right there. And on the ground right here I have a Makita siding gun. And probably my crowning achievement on this job is this U-channel. And what this does is it's actually cut so it's snug on the bottom of the panel, and when I tip the panels up it protects the bottom of it. And also when I go to install the panel, it creates that 1/4 inch gap that I need. I just don't nail near the bottom, and I'm able to pull it off after the panel's on the wall. So thanks for watching.